All right, class, we're going to finish the year with glacier history and glacier landforms in Minnesota. So one of the things I'm going to want you to do at home is to make a glacier sundae. Get yourself some chocolate syrup and make yourself an outline of Minnesota on your plate. You will notice that in our history across Minnesota, there were 4 ice ages. The first one was the Nebraskan age, which went way down into central United States. It retreated back. And then there was an interglacier period of warming of the earth. And then the Kansan ice age came and went down further, but not as far as the Nebraskan age. And then that retreated. And then we had an interglacial period, and then the Illinoisan age came, and it retreated back. And the last one, the most recent one, about 10,000 years ago, is the Wisconsin Ice Age, and retreated back. And we now live in what is called the interglacier period of the time frame right now. So, interglacial period is we are involved in right now. So will there be another ice age on the earth? And if so, will we call it the Minnesotan age? Well, I don't know. We can make that today too. Take yourself a scoop of ice cream, place it on top of Minnesota. You need to add some boulders, chocolate chips and peanuts. These are going to represent glacial erratics throughout. Oh, we need to have some silt. Oh, let's sprinkle a little bit of some sprinkles on there. Maybe you have some other substances that will work real nicely. I'll put some purple in there for purple rhyolite rocks. We'll put in some granite rocks that get all ground up into silt stones. And once you make your nice little you need to now take a picture of this before you do the lab. Take a picture of it. That's going to be called your before picture. That's going to be part of your assignment. You need to send me that before picture. And then you need to take and tilt the earth so that now the glacier is going to advance across into the Nebraskan age, all the way across the state of Minnesota. But it also needs to retreat. And it's retreating, and we're back to an interglacial period. Then you need to, when you get to the top, advance it to represent the Nebraskan age. You need to do this, of course, what you're leading to is 4 times. I'm doing it pretty quickly, but you can go a little bit slower than that because what you add to this mixture here, you can use caramel toppings and various other things. Get creative with this. I'm doing kind of a quick hit here. And once I get to the top of Minnesota, I am going to need to advance again for represent the Illinoisan age. And you can see all the various landforms are starting to show up. I'm starting to get outwash plains, for example. I'm going to start getting drumlins, and I'm going to start getting kames, and I'm going to start getting eskers. All these landforms that we're going to be learning this week. And let's say I'm now on my 4th run, and you should by the time get done, you can have a nice little smearing mess, and the political boundary and borders of Minnesota will be no more. Glaciers are not a respecter of boundaries. All right. Now, when you get done with this thing, you can dispose of this particular glacier sundae any way you want to. Well, I'm going to choose to do it this way. Glacier sundae.